Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tally Maid. Well, as you can see from the title of this video, I am dyeing my hair. Let me get the other box. I am dyeing my hair jet black. The reason being for me dyeing my hair jet black is because one, y'all see my roots? My roots is like, my roots are coming in, so that's for one. And two, I just think black is like a cleaner look, so that's also why I want to dye my hair black, which you guys will be seeing me do today, or tonight, I mean, or whatever. I was gonna do a voiceover, but I feel like I don't usually talk on camera, and if I have, it's probably like one time. I don't even think I've uploaded a video of me actually talking to you guys, so here goes nothing. I'm going to part my hair in sections, and then I'm going to detangle my hair. I also I have experience dyeing my own hair. I didn't do this color. I went to a professional because this front part is bleach. So when it comes to bleach and all that in natural hair, I do go to a professional because I'm not a licensed cosmetologist, so I don't know what I'm doing in that department. All right, you know, these parts don't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna part with my finger. Also, wear a shirt you don't care about. I don't care about this shirt, so I don't really care if it gets stained. So wear a shirt you don't care about. For those who know me, I did a big chop in the beginning of 2019. Not really the beginning, but no, April 2019. I did a big chop and I chopped all of my hair off. And the reason for that being is I just wanted, I was blonde at the time. And I feel like my hair was kind of like a little damaged, so I'm gonna start over. But yes, I'm gonna part my hair in 3 quadrants here and 3 quadrants here. All right, so I'm gonna take my dye. I bought 2 boxes because I have a lot of hair. When you open your box, it should come with developer. This is the color, the jet black color, and it also comes with conditioner as well. I'll probably save the conditioner and just use the conditioner that I already have. Gloves come in here as well, like so. I apologize, y'all. The camera is just not like focusing today. I'm gonna open up the second bottle to shape the bottle, which includes both the developer and the color. I'm going to shake it very vigorously. And eventually it's going to turn black. Okay, I'm going to do the same to the second bottle. Repeat the same steps I just did. And then I'm going to come back and show y'all how I do this section. So I'm going to undo this section. One thing I forgot to mention is you want to detangle your hair. I think I'm just going to detangle my hair as I go. Here, this is my hair detangled. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this nozzle off. Break it or twist it. Yeah, twist it off. Don't break it off. Twist it off. And I'm going to pour. We're going to pour a little bit into my glove, onto my glove. like this. Can y'all see? Like that. Slap it together in my other hand. I'm just gonna run it from the ends to the roots of my hair and work that in. I'm gonna take more because as you can see my hair is really thick. So I'm going to take more of it and work it around my hair. Like I need a little more. I'm going to finger detangle as well to work it through. Just so it's like all up and through there because you don't want to miss any pieces when dyeing your hair. I feel like I want to correct myself every time I say dye. I be like, it's color, not dye, because when I was in cosmetology class in high school, I didn't finish, by the way. I did not finish. Red side hair was not for me. But yeah, our cosmetology instructor would always correct us and say it's color, not dye. So that's one thing that stuck with me in cosmetology class, right? So yeah, I'm just working that color through. I'm just trying to make sure like y'all can see everything as well. I'm trying to also see everything in the mirror because I can't really see on camera. So you see me twisting and turning, I am sorry, but you kind of get what I'm doing. It's like real easy. Now working it on my roots. And to ensure I get everything, I will probably go in with a brush, my diamond brush as well, just to ensure. I probably won't need to though, we'll see. Okay, we take one, another, give a color. Just like finger detangling. If you don't have the patience of finger detangle, you can also use a diamond brush. I've used a diamond brush in the past to color my sister's hair. So, and that worked really well too. I'm getting a little more because I can't see the back. So I'm just trying to like ensure like it's on my roots. camera just like cut off out of nowhere, so yeah. Tie this up and let it sit for like I said, about 30 to 45 minutes, and I will be back with you guys. Good morning, y'all. It is finally the next day, and this is how my hair came out. Now, I rinsed the color out last night and I deep conditioned overnight. To deep condition my hair, I'm gonna show y'all what I used. Yes, this stuff is so bomb. I've been using this since like high school, and I'm 1 year post college, so that's how long I've been using this conditioner for, and I really like it. I kept it in my hair overnight. I rinsed out the conditioner about, I want to say 6 a.m. 6 a.m. I rinsed it out, and it's now 10 a.m. and I just finished doing my hair. I'm just doing a wash and go for the week. I didn't record the wash and go in this video because I didn't want the video to be too long. So most likely my next upload, I will show you guys how I achieve this wash and go. And my wash and goes, they usually take about, I want to say like 15 minutes. Maybe 20 if I really take my time, but 15 minutes. If I'm in a rush, it takes less time, but yeah, 15 minutes. And y'all, like, this is the color that I am back to black on my Amy Winehouse shit. I am back to black, okay, period. Yeah, I just feel like black, it just gives you an overall like a cleaner, like sexier vibe, you know. I feel like it's more mature too, but that's just my personal opinion. I prefer black on me. I did have a phase where I thought I wanted to be blonde again, and no, I am fine with this super dark hair. So next time, take care.